Did you know that between 25% and 33% of people sneeze when exposed to light? Most doctors mention this only in passing, but it's a curious response from your body that's tied to your nervous system. This phenomenon, called photic sneeze reflex, occurs when bright light triggers a response in your brain. The optic nerve, which processes light, can mistakenly stimulate the trigeminal nerve, the one responsible for sneezing. This mix-up can happen more as you age, making you more prone to sneezing in bright sunlight. This week, pay attention to how often you sneeze when stepping outdoors on a sunny day. It's a great reminder of how interconnected our body systems are. There's a reason this nerve connection is what blood sugar supplements target. The link's in my bio if you want to check what I personally use.